Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door jamb. First, gather all your essential tools and materials, such as a pry bar, level, shims, and new jamb kit before you begin. Next, carefully remove the existing door from its hinges, then gently detach the surrounding trim to fully expose the old door jamb. Finally, take precise measurements of the rough opening, ensuring you have accurate dimensions for your replacement jamb. This preparation is crucial for a smooth installation. Now let's tackle removing the old jamb. Using a pry bar, carefully work your way around the existing jamb, gently detaching it from the wall studs. Be mindful not to damage the surrounding drywall. Once the old jamb is out, thoroughly inspect the rough opening for any signs of water damage, rot, or structural issues that might need addressing. Finally, clean the entire area, removing any old nails, shims, or debris to prepare for the new installation. With the opening prepared, it's time to install your new door jamb. Carefully position the new jamb into the rough opening, making sure it fits snugly. Use a level to ensure the jamb is perfectly plumb and square on all sides. You'll likely need to insert shims between the jamb and the framing to achieve this precise alignment. Once everything is perfectly aligned, secure the jamb to the wall studs using 3-inch screws, typically 2 on each side and 1 at the top. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your new door jamb. Carefully rehang your door, checking that it swings freely and latches properly without any binding. Ensure there's an even gap, about 1/8 of an inch, around the door. Next, install your new door trim, making sure all mitered corners are tight and flush. To complete the professional look, caulk any gaps and then paint the new jamb and trim to match your room's aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.